It's been a while, man. It's been 2 weeks, or now a little over 2 weeks. So I didn't even take a trade today, but I wanted to make a recap on October. I just wanted to make a video because it's been so long. But I was planning on doing like a month recap of October, like a week ago from today, because a week ago was the 31st. It was Halloween, so the last day of October. But bro, dude, I haven't taken a trade since my last video, and it's literally crazy. Last week we had was FOMC, so everything was kind of like, it was kind of last week was what I'm trying to say. It was understandable why I didn't take a trade if I didn't see anything. But yeah, last week didn't trade Wednesday, but I was open to trading Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Just couldn't find anything, which was understandable because, not the greatest PA during FOMC week. But coming this week, I was like, okay, maybe we can find something, new week, and, it looks good news-wise. But, bro, market's been crashing. Market's just been dumping. The start of November, it's just been bad. Yeah, literally ever since the start of November, we just been dumping. It started really a week ago on the 31st, and it's just been horrible. Just look at the daily, it's just been bad, and we couldn't even capitalize on this move down. It's not like, just because it's dumping doesn't mean anything. We can still trade, but like I literally couldn't find any setup on any days. It just provided me nothing. It just kept going in one direction. It didn't even sweep liquidity and then do that. So like it's just been kind of, I wouldn't say frustrating is the word. It's just been like, what are we doing? Like damn. I will say, like, if you traded like a continuation model of some sort, this is perfect PA. Price has given you so much opportunities. It came in like imbalances, and then because we've already an established trend, right? This whole week we just been dumping. There's been some long opportunities, but if you're like looking at the overall trend, and you just wait for like a little retrace into a 5 minute gap, and then you target that draw on liquidity, you'll be banking. Throughout this week I've been saying to myself, I was like, do I need to make the move to a continuation model, because it's high key cooking? So I don't know, probably not, but I just been on total defense mode this whole week. There maybe have been two setups for me to take, but one, they happened like around the time I'm ready to get off the charts. Like right now, it happened like during like 9:50, close to 10 o'clock, where I like to get off the charts. And how high probable was that? In my opinion, I didn't think it was too high probable, so I didn't take it, and it didn't even play out. So that confirmed my reasoning even more. So yeah, it's just been like very boring, but I think that's how trading in conditions like this is supposed to be. It's supposed to be boring. It's not supposed to be like, if you don't see your setup, or if it isn't dumb clear to you, don't take it. There's always opportunity in the market, either opportunity to take trades, or opportunity like recently to not take trades and build that discipline, build your patience. So that's how I'm gonna view it. I'm just building my patience right now. For a lot of other traders, it could be a perfect time, the conditions we're in, but for me, this is just horrible. But you can't perceive the market, what the market's offering, from a negative or positive perspective. You just gotta view it as neutral and from objective point of view. So that's what I'm trying to do. But yeah, I don't know. There's no really major headlines that's causing this. Um, I think it's because of the government shutdown. At first, it wasn't really affecting the market too much, but now, as you can see, it's just like that's my thesis on it. It's just the government shutdown. We're not getting these news datas, these economic news datas that usually move the market to see how the economy's doing. So yeah, that's my thesis on why I think the market's crashing. That's why I've seen a little bit on Twitter as well. But just everything's crashing on these stocks. Is this a buy the dip moment? I don't know, but probably buy the dip moment. But I don't got any more bread to buy the dip. I mean, look at this chart. It's straight crashing. Ugh. I mean, we're coming into equilibrium from these lows and these highs. I mean, every time we dumped, we just like kind of recovered. So this could just be a buy the dip moment. I mean, I'm hoping the government the government shutdown ends, open back up, because like, what are we doing, man? What are we doing? And then when the government does open back up, like, how's the news data is gonna get released? Is it all gonna be on one day, like 2 NFPs on one day? Like, bro, it's gonna when it opens back up, it's just not gonna be like the greatest time to trade. So there's another delay in that. Like, damn, bro. Is anyone else having this? Like, is anyone else going through this? I see a lot of other traders like capitalizing and taking trades. Granted, they have different strategies and stuff like that, but like, bro, am I doing the right thing? Not executing? Not trading when there's no setup for me? I mean, I would say so. I would say so. I'm doing the right thing, but do I need to switch my strategy? Nah. I already learned my lesson from that. So, I mean, that's really it. Oh, yeah. This is supposed to be like a recap of the October. So, I took like 6 trades in October. I'm pretty sure. Took 6 trades. I'm about to go through my YouTube. Yeah, I took 6 trades. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I took 6. October was a decent month for me. Went 5-1. Honestly, that sounds like a really good month, but I'm trying to just keep it like try to keep it low key about it. Be low key about it, and it's nothing crazy. So yeah, I had a really good RR. What was the RR? 5. 80% win rate. Pretty good. But 6 trades in a month, dude, like, with this strategy, I should be able to take at least like 10 trades a month. Like, I don't know. Ever since Trump got in office, it's just been day trading has been hard. Like, look at September, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades. I took 7 trades in that month. 13 trades across 2 months. That's crazy. How about in August? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bro, I didn't even reach 20 trades in 3 months. I didn't even take 20 trades in 3 months. Crazy. That's also part of the reason why I'm open to trading, like, you know, on Red Folder News Fridays. I used to not really want to do that, but red folders aren't horrible. They pump liquidity into the market and can move the market. But I'm still standing on not trading on No News Mondays, just cause like it just be looking ugly for the most part. But yeah, bro, 20. I haven't even taken 20 trades in 3 months, bro. Some people take 20 trades in 1 month. I didn't even take 20 trades in 3 months. I mean, that's cool and all. I'm not tripping on the trade frequency, but like, it would be nice if I took 20 trades and like 18 of those are wins. But like, that's kind of like, there's some people that like have stats like that, and I'm just like, I'm just astonished, really. Changed my name to TP. I liked it better because everyone has trades in their name. I don't know why I did that. I don't want to be like everyone else. So, I mean, my initials are TP. And then Take Profit is initial TP as well. Take Profit, TP. And so, I didn't want to just be TP. It would have been just like kind of bland and simple. So, I just changed it to TP. So, that's what I'm going by from now. Not TP trades. Just TP. Call me TP because I hit TPs. But nah, like, this is kind of crazy. I think I'm done with this video. I'm about to end the video right now. That's just a little recap. I guess I can go over what was good about October. I simply just executed on my strategy, on my one and only strategy. Did what I did. Did my job every day. Went with the right mindset every single trading day. And just trying to get 1% better every day. And every day just doing the same thing over and over. Stacking those days, stacking those, when I do trade, stacking those trades, those A+ setups. Do what I'm supposed to do. And yeah, patience. It's really just patience and consistency right now. That's all you need to. All I need to focus on is just being patient in terms of day to day, like being patient for my setup, but also patience on the long term, like not looking too much at the end goal, the results. Just focus on what I need to do every day, and eventually it will get me to that point. And then, yeah, consistency. I'm not gonna be perfect, but consistency is all that matters. You can't be perfect. You shouldn't be perfect. You should strive for perfection, but you're not gonna be perfect. So, just trying to tell myself throughout a time like this, where it seems like I'm doing nothing, seems like I'm not taking any action. I'm being inactive. I'm being, on the sidelines. It's actually, that's the point. Knowing when to not trade, knowing when to play defense, sitting on your hands when nothing is presenting itself, but being ready when your number is called, just like in sports. The bench warmer, it's hard when he doesn't get playing time, but when his number is called, he has to perform. That's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, my mom's calling me now. I think that's a good sign to stop the video, so God bless.